Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel. And in this video, we will be learning about how to write text in plot at any given location. So let's do it quickly. So here you have a plot, and then type command plt.text. Then give the location. So for that, I will be giving location 5, 0.50. 5, 0.50. And this is my title, this is my like text right here. See, it has written. So you can also change the color if you want. Color equal to say you want green. You can also change its font size if you want. So font size equal to say 20. So to write bigger font size. We can also make it font bold size. So font weight equal to say bold. So it will write bold. And you can also make it little, say 2. Yeah, you can also make it rotate. Now give rotation equal to say 45 degree. See, it will rotate the text. Now you can also put this text in a box. For that you have to type b box equal to dict, then write face color equal to say you want to give it black. See, it has got a black face color. You can also give it say box style equal to, you can say round. See, this way you can do whatever you want. Make it say red. Yeah, and so this way you can do whatever you want with the text. So I hope this tutorial has helped you to get how to write text in a plot at any given location and changing its parameter. So thank you.